Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Yes, so we sabi the song, ba? That's what they sing when they want to do a luta. Yeah, now my right for this, now my right. Yes, so it's true. You are right. It is your right. Have you heard about the 6 rights of a person? But more in the health field, though. Right to this, right to that. But it depends on which field you are talking about. However, generally, human beings have rights. That is the breaking news where I carry come for you today. I be your girl, your friend, your sister, your neighbor, Buki Obasabi. Then they call me Buki Obasabi because I sabi too many things. I even sabi how to do this one for you if you want to make them. Today, December 10th, na Human Rights Day. Human rights is for everyone, yes. Even you, where they cut queue, you where they jump light on traffic. The only thing we say, you will dance to the tune of the consequence if anything comes, right? Today, let's stand up for our rights, but have others in view. Let's be compassionate unto others. Let's not just keep on singing it in the shower. Like, it is my right to do this, it is my right for that. Yes, it is your right. You have a right to speech. You have a right to freedom of what activity you want to do. But bear in mind that other person. As you're exercising your right, how does it affect the next person? That's not the thing way I want make you consider today. Okay? It is our responsibility to know that every human being should be treated with dignity and respect and equity. We will say equity, not equality, right? We celebrate this today, December 10th, and in French we say célébrer et protéger le droit chaque jour. Ils sont pour tout le monde partout. Oui. In Yoruba, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣàyájọ́ àti ẹ̀tọ́ fún gbogbo ènìyàn. Ọjọ́ yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ṣe àyájọ́ ẹ̀tọ́ fún gbogbo ènìyàn. In Spanish, celebrar y proteger estos derechos. Todos los días son para todos. Yes, it is your right. But how does it affect the next person? Let's consider this. Have an amazing day. Have a productive day. Bless you.